Hello everyone, welcome to my channel The Colors of Mathematics. In this video we are going to solve this problem. So let's start. So the problem says the following figures are made up of dots. Look at the figures below and answer the following questions. So we have some figures, it is a pattern, and we have some dots arranged in a particular fashion. So we have been given a table and we have been asked two questions. How many dots will be there in the next figure, and then how many dots are there in the figure 50th. Okay, so now let's try to observe the dots and see if there is something which you can separate out. Let's see. If you observe the first figure, you can see three parts. These are the three parts. Same way in the second figure also you can see three parts. Then in the third figure again the three parts are these. Then the three parts are these. Now we can see that this one is constant. It's there in each of the figures. Okay, so let's write down that 1 has to be there in every figure. Now let's see the next part. If you look at this part, you see it's 1. Then these are 4. Then 9. Then 16. When you look at these numbers 1, 4, 9 and 16, can you see that they are square numbers? And they are square of the figure number. Number is 1 and this is 1 square. Figure number is 2 and this is 2 square, which is 4. And figure number is 3 and this is 3 square, which is 9. Figure number is 4 and this is 4 square, which is 16. And now let's look at the third part. The third part, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3 and this is 4. So just observe, it is same as the figure number. Yes, so the expression for the first figure can be 1 square plus 1 plus 1. For the second, it's 2 square plus 2 plus 1. For the third, it's 3 square plus 3 plus 1. For the fourth, it's 4 square plus 4 plus 1. So, can you tell me what would be the expression for the next figure, that is the fifth figure? Yes, it's going to be 5 square plus 5 plus 1. So, when we solve it, we are going to get 25 plus 5 plus 1, which is equal to 31. So in the next figure, there are going to be 31 dots. Now, they are asking us for the 50th figure. So, we can say it should be 50 square plus 50 plus 1. So, it should be 2500 plus 50 plus 1. So it should be 2551. Now this is one way of doing it. There can be many other ways of doing it. So let's see one more way. Now let's see the next way. Now if I fill in the missing dot, it makes a square. And here also it completes the square. It completes the square in all the figures the moment I've put down the missing dots. Now I can see now this is 2 square, this is 3 square, this is 4 square after I have added the big dots, and this is 5 square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, it's one more, it's square of one more than the figure. So how many black dots are there? here I can write 1 plus 1 whole square minus 1, because I have to take away this pink one. Then here 2 is the figure number plus 1, because it is 3 square. Square of this and minus 2. So minus the figure number. Here also you see minus the figure number. Now here 3 plus 1 whole square minus 3. Again we are subtracting the figure number. Now 4 plus 1 whole square minus 4. So for the next figure it should be, for the fifth figure it should be, figure number is 5 plus 1 and square of this and minus 5, the figure number. So it should be 6 square minus 5. So 36 minus 5, which is equal to 31. Similarly, for the 50th figure, it should be 50 plus 1 whole square minus 50. So 51 square minus 50. So let's find out the square of 51 and solve. 51 square is 2601 minus 50, which is equal to 2551. So which is the same answer as above. So like this, we have solved it in 2 ways. But mind it, there are many other ways to solve it. So you can try and share your method in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.